Howdy folks, Jet here at Gearbox Tractor Sales. Today I'm going to show you our brand new 1725 EV. This is going to have a 6.5 foot reach with the backhoe. You can see back here. That backhoe is going to do more things for this machine than you can ever count. Up front we got a brand new loader. We got the 1805. This thing's going to lift 922 pounds to full height with ease. You can see this round barrel on the front. Ain't even giving it no trouble. As you can see on this tractor, we're going to have great comfort features. You can see I'm using the cup holder to its full advantage right now. We have a 2-speed gearbox, 4-wheel drive, differential lock, steering wheel goes back, forth, armrests go up and down, seat even goes back and forth. You know what the great part about these tractors is? It's the 3-cylinder Izeki diesel engine in this. This is the longest lasting, most serviceable small diesel engine in the game right now. This tractor is not only going to be able to dig and lift, you're going to be able to take this backhoe, this loader off with ease. It takes 5 minutes, no manhandling at all. You're going to have a rear PTO and a mid-mount PTO. You're going to have the 3-point on the back. You're going to be able to use box blade, a regular blade, brush hog, you name it. Underneath, we're going to be able to put that mid-mount mower so you can make it look like a golf course in your front lawn. Not only are you going to have the best backhoe in the game on the end of this tractor, the best engine, but you're going to have the best loader. The 1805 is going to lift up to 922 pounds at full height, and it's going to have the breakout force of 1350. This tractor is going to be able to lift just as much as the other competitors' big tractors. It's going to be a great thing to have. It's easy to take off, easy to store away, but yet you're going to be able to lift and do any job you need to do. Up front here, we got the skid steer attachment. This is going to be compatible with any Bobcat or skid steer implements for the front. Makes everything real easy. Easy to change out the bucket. Just got to lift the lever and you're good to go. You're going to have a long day on the tractor. We got you covered. We got a cubby here for you to put your sandwich in, and we got a phone charger in case your phone goes dead when you're Facebooking driving the tractor around. We got cruise control. This is going to be great if you're mowing and your foot's getting tired pushing on that pedal. You just hit this little doodad right there. You're in cruise. Up top here, we got a work light. This is going to be handy. You can spin this around even when it gets dark outside. You got the front headlights, but if you're running the backhoe in the dark, you got the rear light. You know, with this hydrostatic, it's easy to drive around. The young or the old can drive it with ease. Easy to learn how to drive, easy to use all day long. This tractor is going to have a 2-speed gearbox. You got the rabbit for going fast across to get to somewhere that you need to be. Then you got the snail for when you need to go slow with the rototiller and keep them RPMs up. This tractor is going to have a seat that turns around so you can run the backhoe with ease. Easy on, easy off. This tractor's got a bucket float for scraping. It's going to make any chore with the loader easy peasy. If you're needing to tackle all your small projects at your house, or you need a tractor that's going to get the job done for any kind of chore, come see me, Jet at Gearbox Tractor Sales, and I'll make sure you leave with the right tractor.